Hello and welcome back to part 4. Today I'm going to be routing my wires. Trying a different camera angle right here this time. See how that works out. Going to route the wires, and this is stuck fast real well. These are all stuck good, so I don't have to worry about those falling off. I'm going to route the wires through here. Which looks like about the best spot. This will probably be a kind of a short video this time, but this is all I can do for the time being until my parts come in for the rest of the build. We'll route these, and like I said the last video, I'm just going to plug these in this position until I get everything hooked up. Then I can test and see if they're right. Route them just like that. They should be fine. I'll zip tie it so they're not moving around too much. Zip tie through here. These are boogers sometimes. There we go. Use my knife. I can find it. Where did I put my knife? Cut this off. My knife isn't cutting. Get that off. It's down around there. This guy's just going over the battery. This will be the battery I'm using, a 3S. Again, I'm not sure which one of these will be right. Pretty sure this guy's going to go on number 1. We'll find out once we get this on number 2. I'd like to try to route that better. It's kind of a mess of a wire. It's not going to look good that way. See if I can wind it up. This is my front steering servo. It's a little better. Wrap this one. Not to pull it too hard. Don't want to rip it. Plug this guy in. Okay, it kicked right on. I'll go grab the controller. Alright, I got my controller. Turn it back on. Okay, so I got right now the throttle hooked up to the steering. Okay, this needs flip. Okay, perfect. Got motor power now. Put this guy right there. Okay, we got steering. Look here. Forward, reverse. It looks like I look. And yes, I got the motor hooked up correct direction. So we're almost a running truck now. This fan's loud. As soon as I get that, looks like I gotta get another spur gear too, but I got one of them upstairs. That's fine. Spur gear is kind of bad there. As soon as I get that pinion, I don't have my strap tie down anymore. I had this truck for, I don't know, 3 or 4 years. I shut it off. So I kind of lost all the parts, but eventually I wanted to get it put back together, and I'm sort of getting it there now. So we got most of this. I might do something better with this in the future. I don't like messy wires. It's a little better. But that's quite a jump over what we started with no shocks and just kind of like laying there dead. Now it's basically about ready to take it out and do some speed tests on it. See if it'll wheelie. See if that motor has enough power. If it don't, well, I'll switch into another motor. See what we can get out of it. Maybe I'll upgrade to a better one on the next. But I'm definitely going to buy some ARRMs for it. Probably have to buy one of these mounts. I might just make one for now. Get it out there and try it. I'm going to use an old cell phone and GPS for my speed to see what I can get out of it. But made a little progress today. Get this thing out in a couple of days as soon as I get the rest of my parts in the mail. Like I said, those are locked down awesome. They ain't going nowhere. I need a new back for this. Lost that. I lost so much of this truck over the time that I had it. I got some new tools today, some T-handles. Help me out when I'm working on these trucks, because every time you come around I'm looking for a hex set, or a hex key. So now I got that. Allen wrench is what I call them. That'll be it for this video. Please like and subscribe and come back for me running this thing. Well, actually come back for me to finish it. And I'll be running it after it's finished. Hopefully weather allows me to take it out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.